How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Single Section Sunday, where every Sunday I showcase a particular single section. And this Sunday, this home goes by the name of the Bodark. The Bodark is loaded with personality. It is an 18 wide single section. It is 18 by 78 in length, so it is large for a single section. This is the best possible option if you need a lot of room, but you're not wanting to go into a multi-section home. And the thing is, this one is a split floor plan, so you have two guest rooms on one end, a master bedroom on the opposite end, with a lot in between. And you guys follow me right this way, and we'll show you the guest side of the home. You see right here, we have the first guest bedroom. It is good in size where you can fit up to a queen size bed. It's got a nice closet right there as well. You guys follow me this way and you'll see the bedroom opposite of it right here. And this is a very large bedroom as well. This one you can actually fit a king size bed in if you needed to, with a closet. And both of these rooms have the guest bathroom right here that can be used as well. You got a nice countertop space with the HD laminate. You've got a nice tub shower, and we put a transom window up above to bring in that natural light. Notice that we have crown molding going through this whole home. So all the way around, from front to back, there's crown molding in here. And we've added little features. See the nice archway. Everything we use in here is 1/2-inch sheetrock. So it's the real deal, site-built quality materials. And that flows perfectly right in here into your living area. You see you got an abundance of space. We've got a sectional in here. So you guys, it's more than enough room for that. You can put a love seat, a couch, a couple of chairs, whatever you'd like to do. You have the ability to do so here. What I like is the flow from the living room into the kitchen. You see we've got a nice eat-in bar right here. We've got 3 stools right here. It could possibly be even more if you would like. But it is great for entertaining. You see that we've got the kitchen where you can still be in here, still converse with everybody in the living area, and you have tons of countertop space. So you got a lot of cabinets below. We went with the white appliances, got the side-by-side with the ice in the door. And then you got even more cabinet space over here as well, with nice slide-out drawers for convenience. And don't let that side fool you, because we have another side here in your kitchen. More cabinet space, cabinets galore. You got a smooth top electric stove, got a nice microwave right above, and just because you got the bar, that's not your only seating place. You also have a designated dining area. See, we've got a good sized dining table in here, got a nice window. Just give me that designated space for the family to gather and have a nice meal. And right across, we have the utility room. See, a nice laundry room, got the washer and dryer connections, cabinets up above with the rod in between, and you have an access to the back of the home. So this right here is great if you wanted to build a deck on site or anything like that. Works perfectly. And you guys follow me to the best part of the home, the master. And you see, you get even more for your money in the master. You can fit a California king in here. You got plenty of space. You got double windows on each side. So if you want to face it towards which way the sun's rising, you can do so. Put your bed towards that way. It is just an abundance of space. You have plug-ins all the way around, so you can set up your bed to your designated desires. And right onto it, we have a ensuite master bath. You see right here, we've got a nice 72-inch soaker tub. So you can get in there and soak your problems away. You got plenty of space to do that in. We've got some nice shelving right here for books, candles, whatever you want to do. We've got plenty of countertop space with the his and her vanity. We've got cabinets down below. And then the best part, if you don't like to take baths, you got the stand-up shower. Nice towel, stand-up shower. You see the shower head is high. I'm 6'1", so I mean it's pretty good size up there, so you don't have to worry about the shower head being too short. You got the nice glass door to close it off. And then you'll see right here, we've got the nice closet here as well. Plenty of storage space, shelves galore, everything that you need in this master closet you got, and it closes off with the door right here for convenience. And you guys follow me back through the home, and we'll see why this home, being the Bodark, is your best option for your next single section. Again, it feels like a multi-section home, but at a single section price. So again, this is an 18 by 78, guys, with the bow dart. And you can't beat it. With this home right here, and this price point, you can get this home in the mid-80s right now. If you purchase right now, this is where you're gonna get it, right here. And guys, I just wanna thank you for tuning in to another Single Section Sunday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and come into Recreational Resort Cottages. Ask for Mr. Tiny. Ask about that deal that you can't refuse. And you guys have a great day.